someone needs to take my phone away. I have been wasting time instead of filming because I'm addicted to TikTok. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am PinupDollAshleyMarie. I do vintage retro hair tutorials and vintage fashion, and then I'll dive into some other stuff. Today I have this highly requested hair tutorial. Oh my gosh. I posted it on Instagram a couple of weeks ago and you guys went insane over it. You guys were just loving this hair and I'm so excited. I definitely have not done a tutorial for this style before, and I was initially going to do victory rolls, but then my hair just kind of molded into this. If you follow me on my Freaky Friday channel, go subscribe to that channel as well if you like vintage looks with spooky scary stories. I have that video up, but it does not go into detail and how to style the hair, so I really wanted to make a separate video for you guys because it is a little bit complicated. This time that I did it, honestly, it's not as good as the first time, but that's what happens. Sometimes you have good hair days and other times you don't, but I am a perfectionist, so of course for me it's like I could have done better. Definitely reminds me of the movie Cry Baby or Grease, Kanicki's hair mostly.
Oh. Hey. Well, listen, I'll pick you up a tree, huh?
Before we move on to the video, if you're not subscribed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Also, don't forget to engage with this video. It really helps my channel. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends. That way the algorithm can see that you are enjoying this content and you're enjoying my hair tutorials. Okay, dolls, that is enough blabbing for today. We are going to move on to the hair tutorial. So we're first going to start by parting our hair at the crown, a little bit past the crown, and then bringing it all the way behind the ear, so about right here. Now this portion we're going to save for a rainy day, so let's just pin that. Now this lower section we're then going to part starting down here. Now we're going to start curling, and I'm taking my Hot Tools professional curling iron. This one I bought at Sally Beauty. It was about $39, not too expensive, and it is a 1/2 inch curling iron. I have it set to 380 degrees. You really don't want to go more than that. So now I'm taking this lower section and we're going to start curling. Please forgive my roots. This quarantine, salons are shut down, so I haven't been able to get my hair done. Okay, so once we're done with that section, we're just going to continue all the way up till we curl this whole section. Now that we've done the lower section, we're going to move on to the top section, but we're also going to switch the curling iron that we'll be using. You don't have to, this is optional, but I don't want my victory roll to be too small, so I like to use a larger curling iron. This is my 1 inch curling iron. This is also a Hot Tools curling iron that I purchased at Sally Beauty. And we're going to separate right, split down the middle. Okay. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, look at my roots, you guys. This is so awful. This I'm going to pin away. So here, I'm just taking large sections. Doesn't have to be small ones like the other ones, only because this is going to be our victory roll, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to curl this up. So since my victory roll is going this way, I want to curl up and in. Ooh, damn I'm gonna dirty my shirt.
How come Henry's dear, said Mrs. Henry Brown, you always disappear when the evening sun goes down.
So now we're going to move on to the other side, and we're going to do the same thing, curl up and then in.
That door without your mama anymore, 'cause mama goes where papa goes, or papa don't go out tonight. Mama goes.
Okay, so now everything is curled. There we go. And we're just going to let this set for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now we are ready to take down this portion of the curls. Pin the lower section, and then we're going to tease. I'm taking this teasing comb. This is one that I purchased at Sally Beauty. And this is just to give the hair a little bit of volume. This is the last section. It's so much harder now that I don't have nails. Okay, so now I'm just going to gently brush through. You don't want to mess up the curls too bad. You just want to lightly brush. Going to spray some hairspray. I'm using the Suavecita Firm Hold Hairspray. I love this stuff. Okay, so this is how the back should be looking at this point. And now we're going to move on to the actual victory rolls. So I'm going to start at the lower portion, and I'm going to tease a lot. Okay, look at that. So now we look insane, which is perfect.
The harvester ant is one of the most venomous creatures in the world, along with Fiona.
Do you want me to wear it?
You could never pull it off, darling.
Now I'm going to take this soft bristle brush. This is one that I purchased, same one I used on my last tutorial. Target, about $3. We're going to take this whole section and just start combing over. Then we're going to take some hairspray. And I'm just using my hand to guide my hair. You want to smooth the top layer. Okay, so now I'm going to sort of twist my hand like this. Okay, and by doing that, it's going to twist the hair. See, right here. So it's going to twist it in. Okay. And then I'm just going to start shaping this victory roll. Now you want the victory roll to meet a little bit over that part, and just start twisting. And then I'm going to place a bobby pin right here. We're not done, so it's okay. But I want to start, this is where you're going to start fixing this victory roll, because it does not look the greatest right now. So I'm taking this comb, and just combing around. Now victory rolls can be tricky, but you just have to practice and eventually you'll get it. Okay, and just so this doesn't keep falling forward, I'm just going to spray some hairspray and just hold it. Okay, so now moving on to this side. We're going to do the same thing.
How come Henry dear?
Okay, so this is this side, and now we're going to do something a little bit different. First, the first steps are the same. So we're going to comb over,
And drink my chicken soup. Then I notice that you fly the coop.
spray some hairspray.
Without your mama anymore.
Look at that.
Papa goes, or Papa don't go out tonight. Mama goes, 'cause Mama knows you can't be trusted out of her sight. Mama
So same step, you want to sort of twist the hair in like this. So that is already forming, you can see the victory roll, only this time, once we have this down, spray some hairspray. Fix this part a little bit. Now this section is going to roll into this side, okay? Now I'm going to take this duckbill clip, and this is just going to kind of help keep this up right here as I guide my hair over here.
Here's your bedroom slippers and your favorite pipe. Here's your yellow bathrobe with the purple stripe. You can go and step, but listen, Papa dear, there ain't a thing I
So I'm rolling, blending this into the other victory roll right here.
any married woman will admit I'm right. A husband
Just gonna add a bobby pin.
decides now. Mama goes where Papa goes.
So this still looks a little messy. I'm going to fix it. Here we're just cleaning everything up.
Mine, say I could get you hung for what is on your mind. So Mama goes where Papa goes, or Papa don't go out tonight. Take your shoes off, honey, Papa don't go out tonight.
So here is the final look, dolls. I just added this cute little vintage scarf along with these vintage earrings just to go with the look. And then I have my top that I purchased at Glam Factory. I hope you dolls enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more hair tutorials. And comment down below. It really helps my channel. Let me know which tutorial you'd like to see next, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.
Mama goes, 'cause Mama knows you can't be trusted out of her sight.